Hello friends, in this video, we intend to go through the steps to fund your account through TRC-20 at the FXPro broker. Step by step, we log into the trading platform at FXPro, and here you can see that you are guided for your first account funding. We click on this option and select USDT through TRC-20. You can scan the QR code displayed with your mobile wallet or copy the code and paste it in the Send section of your wallet. Scan the QR code with your mobile phone or copy the code and paste it in the Send section of your wallet. The QR code shown is one time. Once you deposit into FXPro, the amount is credited quickly. Future videos will cover withdrawal steps. View deposit details confirming success. Next videos will cover withdrawal steps. In the next videos, we will do step by step how to withdraw from the account. Wishing you success and profitability.